Hey, what's up you guys, it's Judy here with my Life as Kikay, and in today's video I'm going to be answering the questions to the Hypocrite YouTuber Tag. I'm gonna jump straight into this tag because the questions in this tag are intriguing, they're interesting, and I feel like there could be some tea or drama inspired by the answers that I give to the questions in this tag. My answers will be what they are, it will be what it is. If I have to fight any battles, come at me, girl, come at me. Actually, you know what, I don't mean any of that. I'm gonna jump straight into this tag. Girl, why am I gangster? Hypocrite is basically a word that means you tell somebody to do something and you don't do it yourself. Basically a word to describe someone who is fake, someone who tells you to do one thing and does the exact opposite. You might not agree with whatever I'm saying in this video, but that's okay. That's okay. We all have our different opinions and we can all accept each other for who we are and what we do. I was tagged by Liz here on YouTube to answer the questions in this tag. Liz, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry it took me so very long to do this tag, but you know, life's been a little bit hectic. As y'all know, life is crazy. Crazy, girl. I'll tell you right now, it's crazy. Gonna get straight into this video. If you enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, because I put out 2 videos every single week. Boom, done. Okay, everything that a good YouTuber does. Now let's answer these questions. Question number 1, have you ever blocked anyone on Instagram? Hell yes, I have. Who hasn't? We all have posts that we sometimes get that ad type of generic comment that says,
hey, I've seen your profile. We should collaborate sometime. DM such and such for more information.
And then you click on the profile, they have like 2,000 followers and like 5 posts or 2 posts and like no credibility whatsoever. Those kind of pages I block. Or maybe other pages that leave spammy type of comments, I delete those too. The spam type of profiles that look like there ain't nothing going on that profile and they comment something that's generic or makes no sense whatsoever, I block them. I have blocked people on Instagram and I will continue to block if for some reason or another they have merited that type of action on my end. Question number 2, do you envy any other YouTuber? I mean, let's be real here for 1 second. I hate to break it to you guys. I'm human. And of course, it's a normal human reaction to at some point or another compare yourself to any other YouTuber out there who might be doing well in numbers, doing well in views, doing well in PR. It's a natural human reaction to compare yourself and be like, oh, I should be where they're at right now. When we started YouTube in the same place and you know, all of a sudden 10 months later they're at 6,000 subscribers and I'm still struggling to hit 3,000, you know, but everybody's on their own journey. So that's what I always remind myself. My journey is my own. I can't compare myself to other people because I'm not them. I'm not in the area that they're in. I might not have the target audience that they have, or someone will have a different personality than me. I cannot be that person. So obviously their personality or the way they convey their message might appeal to more people than the way I do. But the thing is, I am still growing, so I can't say that I'm stagnant, or I can't say that I need to change who I am, because this is who I am, this is my journey, and there is no reason for me to be comparing myself to any other YouTuber because this is me, you know? This is me! Is that a song? Yeah, I'm sure it's a song at some point. So being in a state of constantly envying another YouTuber is not a state that I find myself in. Sometimes I'll compare myself to other people and be like,
oh, why are they doing so well and I'm not?
But no, it's not a constant mental state that I allow myself to be in, because I'm on my own journey and everyone else can do what they will, but this is me, this is my journey, and this is the way that I'm gonna run my channel. This is the content that I want to put out. That's not to say I don't look at other YouTubers and admire what they're doing well, and maybe in some way I can mirror that and maybe reflect some of the good attributes that other people practice on their channel in my channel. But it's not to say that I'm changing who I am and trying to make myself someone else in order to succeed. You can only be yourself to be successful, because to be someone else in order to be successful, it's not going to last long. You cannot keep up a facade. You cannot be fake. You've got to be real. You got to be honest. You got to be 100%. And if you're trying to copy someone else in order to be successful here on YouTube, then that's not it, sis. It's not gonna happen, sis. Question number 3, have you ever answered back to comments in a rude way? No, I wouldn't say in a rude way. I have responded to rude comments in a very straightforward manner to call people out, but I would never actually stoop so low to answer in a rude way to someone who has commented that. Most often you go into their profile, they have no videos, they have no subscribers, maybe they're not a YouTuber in and of themselves, but there's nothing there to say that they are succeeding in life. People who have time to write rude comments on other people's videos have no life. If you have time to sit behind your computer and take the time and the energy and the mental space to write a rude comment to somebody, then you got no life. People who do that got no life. There is something about them that they are unhappy with, that they feel the need to speak so rudely to another person. So me, honestly, I will just delete those comments. There was a comment at one time, I forget exactly what the comment was about, but someone was trying to give criticism, but they didn't say it. I don't know if they were even trying to give criticism, they just gave it in a very, very rude and abrasive manner. And I just said, look, next time if you want to give constructive criticism and a solution for maybe what I did wrong in the video, I'm well and truly open to that. And I said, if you wrote this comment to someone else with a more sensitive personality than me, that could break them down. That could really get them down for days. And I said, hopefully that you think a little bit more about what you say before you comment to other people. And that I have responded to rude comments in that sort of manner. And me personally, I very, very rarely get rude comments. I'm very lucky with the people that I have following me here on YouTube. But when I do, I generally answer in a way that they usually end up deleting their comment. They respond and then they delete their comment because I feel like maybe they were ashamed with the way that they spoke in the first place. Generally, if you call people out on their shit, they end up disappearing off your channel. That's what I've found to be the case anyway. Question number 4, what videos are you embarrassed about? Oh my goodness. The real question is, what videos am I not embarrassed about? There are some videos on my YouTube channel that I'm just like, oh girl, you were just no, just stop already. Like, someone take her camera away from her. I have some videos like that, but those were all videos that were very, very early on and when I first started to create videos. And again, the reason why I don't delete these videos is because it was a learning process for me. It was a journey. If people watch those videos and say, oh my goodness girl, you are cringe AF, and then watch my most recent video, they'll be able to see that the journey that I've been on and see like, wow, she's really improved. Like her editing, the way she conveys her message to the camera. Although, I mean, like, let's be real, sometimes I can't even English. But my point is, the reason why I don't delete those videos I'm embarrassed about is because I like to have a point of reference of the growth that I'm having here on my YouTube channel. So whether or not I'm still going in another 10 years, which I really, truly, sincerely hope that I am, I might even look back to this video today and be like, girl, you could have said that in a more effective, concise, what's the word? Efficient manner. You could have answered all those questions in a more efficient manner, but that's the thing. You learn and you grow. One of the videos that I am quite, not really embarrassed about, but I'm just like, you could have done so much better, was actually the one video that had go viral here on my YouTube channel. I think it's up to 70,000 views right now, and it's my how to save money video. I'm gonna leave it linked up here and in the description box down below. That was one of my very first videos that I ever released on my YouTube channel, and I was like, wow, so many jump cuts. You don't know how to speak. You sound so timid and unconfident in the way that I conveyed my message in that video, but I leave it up. Well, one, because it's gone viral, and two, because there's a journey, again, that everyone is going through in the YouTube journey. So yes, I have videos I'm embarrassed about. There's another one that I have on my mind, but I'm not gonna mention it because you guys might probably search it up and, you know, watch it, and I'm just like, hell no. But you know what? It's still up on my YouTube channel. You're just gonna have to watch all my videos and find out which one it is. Question number 5, the most favorite video you have ever done. I would have to say it would be one of my most recent Halloween body painting videos. It was my Mama Imelda Coco body painting video, and I'm gonna leave a little insert of it right now. And I'm gonna leave a little insert of it right now to show you guys what I did in that video. leave that one linked up here if you do want to watch it. But that was my most favorite video. It took me about 6 hours to film, to create the entire video, and then an extra maybe another 6 hours to edit the video. But it was so much fun to create. That body painting was probably one of the most intricate ones that I've ever done. It wasn't even that intricate in the scale of how many body painting creations there have been made in the world, but for me that was like up there in my favorite creations and probably videos as well that I've ever created. I hope you guys do watch it. I did enjoy making that one, and yeah, it was a lot of fun. Question number 6, have you ever had problems with other YouTubers? Not really. I have been very lucky to have had the support of many other YouTuber friends here on my channel. I haven't really had any problems with other people. I hope that if they have had problems with me, they would come to me and say, but no one really has approached me and say, hey, I got a problem with you or with your content or whatever. I've been very lucky. I haven't had any problems with other YouTubers. Not only that, if I have a problem with someone, I'm not gonna go over to their channel and pick a fight with them. I'm probably just gonna leave it and just not deal with it, really, because if I have a problem with someone on the internet, literally, like seriously, a problem with someone you've never met and there's thousands if not millions of them, why not just leave it? Like, why waste your time and your energy and your mental stress when there's so many more important things to be worried about? If you have a problem with someone on the internet, just like, bye Felicia. Question number 7, what would you change with your YouTube channel? For me personally, I would probably change to 1 video a week. Actually, like, I'm kind of semi-serious there. I'm not gonna do it. Don't freak out, guys. I'm gonna keep it at 2 videos a week for now. But have been kind of struggling with keeping up because there's just a lot going on in my life right now. But after Christmas, hopefully it'll settle down and I'll be able to focus more on filming and editing and finding time for all of that. But anyway, what I would change on my YouTube channel is I would probably, if I had the time, I would spend more time researching videos to film. Not that I don't have any ideas on what to film, I always have video ideas. But what I mean is doing the research on the keywords of what is being searched on YouTube, that I can create the video and create my own version of that tag, that when people search it, they find my video, they click it, I get more views, I get more watch time, in turn YouTube suggests my videos, in turn more people see my videos, and in turn more people subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that generates growth. So wow, just after having said all that, I really see the importance of researching before I film. But you know, it's just one of those things is time. Yeah, if I want to change anything on my YouTube channel, it's just the way that I structure my filming planning. I'd like to do, wow, so many words when all I want to say is I just want to plan better. I just want to plan better for my YouTube channel, because if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Question number 8, have you ever been inspired / copied another YouTuber? Now let's just get one thing straight. Inspired by someone and then copying them are 2 different things. So you can feel very inspired by a YouTuber. For me personally, I feel incredibly inspired by Raw Beauty Christy, Tati Westbrook, and Kathleen Lights, but I would never copy their style. For one, because I am not them. The way that they edit their videos is quite simple. It's really the way I edit my videos as well. It's nothing fancy, no sound effects, whoosh, transition, light, camera, angles, and all that. Like, it's very simple. It's very old school YouTube, and that's the way I want to keep my videos. But I would never copy them. Like, I cannot copy their style because I'm not them. But I have definitely been very inspired by them in the way that they convey their message, in the way that they create their content, in the material that they have for their audience. I just feel very inspired whenever I watch their videos, and I'm like, yeah, I think I should film that. And it's not really copying what they've just done, it's just they're watching their content inspires and motivates me to get on here, press record, and just get on with it and film a video. You know what I mean? If you're a content creator, then you'll know what I mean. Sometimes it's really hard to sit down, get yourself ready, and press record and film a video. Especially for me, I find it very difficult. The very first video that I filmed for the day, I find it very difficult to speak. So the very first video that I filmed today, this is my 4th video for today, I struggled so much to just speak one coherent sentence. But as it's progressed on through the day, I found it easier, and which is why I'm doing a chatty video for the very last video I'm filming for the day. But you know what I mean? Like, do you even know what I mean? I went on a whole tangent there. But yes, I have been very, very inspired by watching other YouTubers, but no, I haven't really copied. If you're copying someone's style, they're probably copying someone else's style, and they're copying someone else's style. So everything under the sun has been done. So no one is really copying anyone, if you think about it that way. Question number 9, have you ever disliked another YouTuber's video? Yes, I'm pretty sure I have. There have been times when I have moments of weakness and I watch maybe a drama channel's video where it's all assumptions and it's spreading lies and rumors that shouldn't be fueled. I really shouldn't put myself in that headspace, but sometimes I'll get sucked into all the YouTube beauty drama and I'll watch the video. It's so negative that I'm like, hang on, wait, I don't like this, and maybe I'll thumbs down the video. Or I'll watch another YouTuber where they're just so fake and so over the top. I'm pretty sure I have disliked Trisha Paytas, I think that's how you say it. I've disliked one of her videos that I watched the first 30 seconds of and I just couldn't handle it, and she was just so, like not my cup of tea, not the type of videos I like to consume or fill my mind with. And I think I disliked it so much that I actually thumbs down the video, but it's not a habit that I make. If I'm not enjoying the video, then I'll just click out and find something else that I do enjoy to watch. But all the videos that I do enjoy watching, I always give them thumbs up. I know it helps someone out there. If you guys are watching this video and you do enjoy it, it really helps me out if you give it a thumbs up. Like, you have no idea how much it actually helps. It really does. Okay, question number 10. Do you have a fake account to do things you don't want to do with your real account? You know what? Let's just put it this way. I struggle enough to handle managing my own actual real functioning accounts that ain't nobody got time to be managing a fake account. Like, why would we do that? Like, only people with no lives would do that. Like the people I mentioned at the beginning of this video, they want to live in someone else's life, so they are keyboard warriors and write all the rude comments. No. Ain't nobody got time to manage a fake account. I struggle enough managing my real account. So that's my answer there. No, I don't have a fake account. I'm gonna keep it real. You guys can always be rest assured that I'm gonna keep it 100% real and honest here on my YouTube channel. I mean, it doesn't mean that I'm gonna spill my guts to you and tell you every single facet of my life and whatever is going on in my personal life. No, that's not what it means. It means I'm gonna be real, I'm gonna be 100% with you guys, and I really truly appreciate it when you guys enjoy my content, because that's just who I am. That's just the way I am. And I hope it resonates with some of you. Like, I know not a lot of you watch my videos, and why would I be saying that? Because if you don't watch my videos, it wouldn't be any point saying it. But what I really need to say here is that I'm really thankful for you guys who do watch my videos. So yeah, that's the last question in this Hypocrite YouTuber Tag. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you to Liz Quico for tagging me in this. Again, I'm sorry it took me so long to film this video, but finally, here it is. If anyone else here watching wants to do this tag and create your own version of it, answer these questions, then I'm going to leave the questions in the description box down below so you can create your own version of it. I'm actually going to tag someone now to answer these questions, and I'm just better check out her YouTube channel, make sure that she hasn't actually answered these questions herself. Thank goodness. No, she hasn't. I'm gonna tag Brianna on purple, pink, and red to create this video. If you want, no pressure, darling. You really don't have to. Thanks guys so much for watching this video. As always, I really truly appreciate that you've chosen to spend your time here with me today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! With my life as Kikay, and in today's, why am I grabbing my boots? But you know, it's not a constant mental state that in the way that I conveyed my message that